Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to use promo code in 1xbet Accumulator. To achieve this, it's quite simple. Before we continue, I will advise you to create a professional 1xbet account. To achieve this, you go to registration, choose a registration method of your choice by phone, fill in your informations, then at the level of promo code, type Chelsea TV. This promo code gives you a 300% bonus at your first recharge, which implies that if you put in 10,000, you get 40,000. First, you're going to look for an event and bet on it. To achieve this, you may choose any event of your choice. For example, I've chosen this event you may see on the screen. Let me choose double chance of team 1, or rather, yeah. Then add this to my bet slip. Once I do that, I can go to promo and type in the promo code, for example, Chelsea TV. I may type in the promo code I want to use and add this to my bet slip later on. Once that is done, I can check on my accumulator and you will see that in my bet slip, you will see the accumulator of the day. In our case, I've made no bet, so you won't see any change. But in your case, if you follow the procedure, eventually you will see in the accumulator of the day the different accumulations using your promo code.